Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all guys, can we all turn around to wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera?
Hello.
Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap and close our eyes. And when you're ready guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. Okay? And next we'll do our stretching sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we'll begin by stretching up high. High to the sky. And then let's go down low. Touch our toes. And then let's go back up high. And this time, can we go tippy toe high? And when we're there, let's have a wave. And then back down again. Touch our toes. And now let's stand feet slightly apart and we'll rotate. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Excellent. Now for some stretches, we'll do 5 to our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And next we'll do 5 to our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent guys. And to finish, we'll do 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent guys, have a seat. So who can tell me what we were learning about in math class last time?
Division.
Division, exactly. And how do we spell division guys? I-V-I-S-I-O-N. Division. And in the last lesson we did division of 3 digit by 1 digit. Excellent. And what system have we been using, or what method? Long division, using U-S-I-N-G. Long, L-O-G. Division, D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N. Division of 3 digits by 1 digit using long division. Excellent guys. And remember, we have 4 steps. Our first step is to divide. D-I-V-I-D-E. Second step, multiply. T-I-P-L-Y. Third step, excellent. And our final fourth step, bring down. B-D-O-W-N. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Excellent, guys. Well remembered. And now for a recap of the previous lesson, I would like some volunteers so that we can do some 3-digit by 1-digit equations. So any volunteers? Bangpon, come and join me at the front. You can do one with me now. Thank you for volunteering. So let's see. We will have our division table. And how about 246 divided by 2. Okay, Bangpon, would you like black or blue? Black, okay. So first step, 2 divided by 2
equals
1. So we can write 1 on top. Excellent. Step number 2, 1 multiplied by 2 equals 2. Perfect. Next we will subtract. So write our subtract sign. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Once we get to 0, we know that's cool. We're on to the next stage, which is to bring down. What number do we bring down? 4. We'll bring 4 down to here. And then we repeat the process. So now 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So we can write 2 up here. Next, 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. So now we write 4 here. Now it's time for our subtract sign. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Perfect. Now we're on to the next stage again, which is bring down number 6. Excellent. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. So just write it quite small. We're getting out of space. Yep. Okay. Next we need to subtract. So minus sign here. And 6 minus 6 equals 0. So can you fit our 0 in at the bottom? Excellent. Any more numbers to bring down?
No.
Are we finished? Yes. 123 is our answer. So we can say 246 divided by 2 equals 123. Excellent. Bangpon, that was brilliant. High five. Round of applause for Bangpon. And let's do one more just to make sure that we're certain of what we've been doing. So I will rub off this equation. And I would like one more volunteer to join me. Let's see, Pat. Excellent. Come and join me, Pat. You can come and join me, stand here. So first thing we need to do, guys, for long division, we need to draw our division table. Like this. So let's see, this time we will have 966 66 divided by 3. 966 divided by 3. Pat, what colour would you like? Blue. Excellent. Okay, so all together, step number 1, guys. Divide. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So we can write 3 on top. That's okay. So you can write 3 on top. Excellent. Now we're ready for step number 2. 3 times 3 equals 9. So we can write 9 here. Now we're ready to subtract. So we can write our minus sign. 9 minus 9 equals 0. Once we reach 0, we know we're ready for the next step. Bring down. What number do we bring down? 6. Excellent, Pat. So now 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So we write our answer at the top. Then multiply. 3 times 2 equals 6. So we can write 6 here. And then we do our equation again for subtract. 6 minus 6. Perfect. So you can write it here. Excellent. 6 minus 6 equals. And once we reach 0, we know we're ready to bring down. And we're bringing down 6 again. So bring 6 to here. Excellent. So now, again, 6 divided by 3. 2. 2 times 3. 6. So we can write 6 here, because we've already done this equation in the previous column. 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Okay. So now we're ready for bring down. Is there any more numbers we can bring down? Are we finished? Do we have our answer? Yes. 322. So we can say 966 divided by 3 equals 322. Excellent, Pat. That was brilliant. High five. And big round of applause for Pat. And a round of applause for everybody for doing a great job. Well done, guys. And now we're going to move on slightly. We're still going to be doing 3 digits by 1 digit, but can anybody remember, what do we call it when we have, if we have numbers left over at the end, we call them remainders. So we will be using U-S-I-N-G, remainders. R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R-S. Division of 3 digits by 1 digit using long division using remainders. So now we've got a video for us to look at, observe and listen so that we can better understand long division with remainders. So let's all turn our chairs to look at the TV screen, guys. Excellent, well done. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the song about long division with remainders and it gave them a better understanding of how to do them. I'm now going to do a board demonstration of how to do division of 3 digits by 1 digit using long division with remainders. So firstly, I will need to draw my division table. Who can give me a 3-digit number, guys? 1, 7, 5. Okay, 175.
175.
And what shall I divide this number by?
2.
2. Okay. So let's begin. Step 1, divide. 1 divided by 2?
Equals 0.
0, we cannot do. 2 times 0?
Equals 0.
0. 1 minus 0
Equals 1.
equals 1. Next we bring down 7. So now we're dealing with 17. Okay, so let's repeat the process. 17 divided by 2 equals 8. 2 times 8 equals 16. 17 minus 16 equals 1. Okay, and now we bring down 5. So now we are dealing with 15. 15 divided by 2.
Equals
7. 2 times 7 equals 14. 15 minus 14 equals 1. So we have 1 here. And now I have no more numbers to bring down. So what does that mean? 1 becomes remainder. So what do I need to write here? R1. Excellent. So are we ready, guys? 87 remainder 1. So 175 divided by 2 equals 87 remainder 1. Excellent, guys. That was very well done. And now it's time for our stretch sequence, guys. So let's all stand up and push in our chairs. And for this activity, we're going to have a game of Teacher Says. So students, listen carefully. If Teacher Says, do the action. But if you don't hear Teacher Says, don't do, okay? Teacher Says, put your hands on your head. Teacher Says, touch your toes. Teacher Says, touch your shoulders. Put your hands on your hips. Excellent, very good. Teacher Says, 5 claps. Teacher Says, turn left. Teacher Says, turn right. Teacher Says, turn left, turn right. Teacher Says, look forward. Teacher Says, walk on the spot. Teacher Says, jog on the spot. Stop. Teacher Says, stop. Jog on the spot. Ah, teacher doesn't it? Teacher Says, jog on the spot. Teacher Says, quickly. Teacher Says, stop. Teacher Says, go down into a ball. Jump. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Teacher Says, jump. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. Teacher Says, sit down. Very good. So now, teachers, we've come to the flashcards activity part of the lesson. What you need to do is you need to print out the flashcards for this lesson and cut the division problems into individual matters. And what we're going to do now is we're going to invite our students to come forward and answer the problems. So let's see, who would like to go first? Prel, come and join me at the front. Excellent. Can you choose a problem, please? Can you show it to your friends?
173 divided by 5.
Excellent. Claire, what colour would you like?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, so I will hold this for you and we'll start with our division table. 173 divided by 5. Excellent. So step number 1,
5 divided by 1 equals 5.
1 divided by 5
Equals 0.
equals 0. We cannot do. And then multiply. 5 times 0
Equals 0.
equals 0.
1 minus 0 equals 1.
Perfect. And now we're ready for bring down.
7.
We bring down 7. So now we're dealing with 17. So let's repeat the process. 17 divided by 5 equals 3. Excellent. 5 times 3 equals 15. Excellent, Prel. And now we're ready to subtract. 17 minus 15 equals 2. Perfect. So now we're ready to bring down. What number do we bring down? 3. So now 3 becomes 23. So let's think. 23 divided by 5 equals 4. Excellent. 5 times 4 equals 20. Perfect. And now 23 minus 20 equals 3. Okay. Excellent, Prel. So now we have 3, but we don't have any more numbers to bring down. 3 becomes our remainder. So what do we write here? R3. Excellent, that's really good. 34 remainder 3. So we have our answer all together, guys. 173 divided by 5 equals 34 remainder 3. Is that correct?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you really sure?
Yes.
High five. That was excellent. High five and a round of applause for Prel. Very good. And we'll have one more student come and demonstrate this for us, I think. Who would like to go next? Lakau, come and join me at the front. So I will rub out the previous problem. And if you can pick one of your... There you go. Can you show it to your friends?
127 divided by 4.
Okay. Lakau, what colour would you like?
Black.
Black.
Thank you.
That's for you. I will hold your problem. So first thing we do is we write our division table. 127. Don't worry, we can rub that one out. 127.
Divided by 4.
So 1 divided by 4 equals 0. 4 times 0 equals 0. 1 minus 0 equals 1. So we have our answer. Let go. What's our next step? Bring down. What number do we bring down? 2. So 2 becomes 12. Let's see. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So we write 3 there. Excellent. Let go. 4 times 3 equals 12. So we'll write that here. Perfect. What's our next step? Subtract. 12 minus 12 equals 0. So that's great, we're at 0. Next, 7 divided by 4.
28.
No, not times. 7 divided by, we divide first. 7 divided by, how many times does 4 go into 7?
1.
One time, yes. 7 divided by 4 equals 1. Excellent. And then we think 4 times 1.
Equals 7.
4 times 1
Equals 4.
equals 4. So, what we need to do first, we forgot to bring down 7. So we'll bring 7 down. And then 4 times 1 equals 4. What's next? Subtract. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Okay, so now we've got 3 here. Have we got any more numbers to bring down? No. We've got nothing more to bring down. So what do we do with 3? 3 becomes our remainder. Or 3. Our full answer, 31, remainder 3. So we can say altogether 127 divided by 4 equals 31, remainder 3. Is that correct? Are you sure? Are you really sure? High five. Excellent. Round of applause for Lakau. That was very good, Lakau. And round of applause for everyone doing a great job helping. And now, teachers, it's time for our worksheet activity part of the lesson. So what you'll need to do is print off a worksheet for each of your students in your class. And what our students need to do is they need to look at the division problems, 3 digits by 1 digit, and work them out in the spaces provided using our long division method. And our 4 steps, guys: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. And for this problem, we will have remainders, okay? So don't be worried if you have numbers left over at the end. There are remainders. And what's the first thing to do, guys? Perfect. So let's begin. Nadia, for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Pat,
Thank you.
you're welcome. Dan,
Thank you, Mr. Riz.
you're welcome.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome.
Thank you,
Palau,
teacher.
you're welcome.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome.
Thank
Lakau,
you, teacher. Thank
you're
you,
welcome.
teacher.
You're welcome. You're welcome. And I tell you what, guys, the first one we'll do together. What we need to do as well, give our students around 15 minutes to complete this activity, because there's a few problems involved, and we'll do the first one together. What's the first problem, guys? 125
divided by 2.
Okay, so we can write it out on our division table like this. So, step 1. 1 divided by 2. Can we do that? Equals 0. We can't do it. Next, we need to multiply. 2 times 0 equals 0. Next, subtract. 1 minus 0 equals 1. Excellent. And now we're ready to bring down. So instead of having 2, we're now working with 12. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Excellent. 2 times 6 equals 12 too. And now we're ready for step 3, which is to subtract again. 12 minus 12 equals 0. So that's good. We're at 0 and we're ready to bring down. We bring down 5 on its own. 5 divided by 2.
5 divided by 2.
How many times does 2 go into 5? 2. 2 times 2
2 times 2 equals 4.
equals 4. So now we're ready to subtract 5 minus 4 equals 1. So we're left now with 1, and there's no more numbers to bring down. What does that mean about, what do we do with 1? 1 is our remainder. So there you go, guys. 125 divided by 2 equals 62, remainder 1. Excellent. So that's how we do our problems. Any more help you need, let me know. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity where they had to work their way through the division problems and show their workings out using the long division method in the spaces provided. Our class here did a great job, so well done, guys. So one final time to recap before closing. What have we learned today? Division of 3 digits by 1 digit using long division using remainders. And whenever we use long division, we have our 4 steps. And those 4 steps to follow: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Very good, guys. And that's it for today's lesson. We hope you found it enjoyable, interesting, and had some fun too, working through the problems and singing along to the song. So we'll see you again soon next time. Can we turn to wave and say goodbye? Goodbye. Bye-bye. See you again soon.